that ride was awesome.
I wonder how it works, though.
Hello, I'm Gort. Welcome to HMS Networks. I run this place. Without me, they would get nowhere.
What are you?
Can't tell. I'm a circuit board.
Right, okay, buddy.
From HMS Networks, which make the controls for the behind the scenes for many major companies, such as Hershey Park, where you are right now. HMS Networks manufactures different electronics, such as circuit boards for connection and systems. Their headquarters is located in Halmstad, Sweden. HMS stands for Hardware Meets Software, which refers to HMS's products connecting industrial hardware to IoT software. Their products act as translators between motors, sensors, and control systems and other parts of machines.
Manufacturing process.
Manufacturing, my favorite part is being able to be hands-on.
I like coming in and doing something different every day. Something.
So my favorite part is my own job.
My favorite part, it's got to be actually seeing the product come together.
Favorite part about the manufacturing process.
My favorite part about the manufacturing process is actually the repair part. I know that it's kind
building a product, or making sure the quality is the highest, so that when the customer gets it, they're completely satisfied.
Because you can actually influence from start to finish how the product looks, how it functions.
Now we know
what's so cool about manufacturing.